MLA ka pinthor umkra ban nongyalam ka BJP uba AL heng ulaong bak Sorkar Pdeng kadang Bishar bniah yak jingterwa ban Khyrdan Institute of National Importance ne INI yak Neigrihms habak range kilat pathai Khubor uba hek ulayathu buladep bantho show menteri ka kwat kya barim bat ulayo yak jubab ka bapin I ba ka kam kadang ya chakman ula ongru bahag jingle jingo jong menteri ka kwat kya ka Sorkar Pdeng UJP nada Jylla Meghalaya dangshen ula pin pau biang ya ka ni ka jingdawa Nalor kata kinong tre ka Neigrihms kila IT ya ka shithi kirpa chu menteri da ka badawa badeban pinbrano ya ka Neigrihms kum ka Institute of National Importance.
Regarding the INI of the Neigrihms Hospital, this is not the first time. When Mansukh Mandavia, when he was health minister, that time also I written to him, and also he had acknowledged me very clearly that is under the considerations. So recently, when the Honorable Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Shri J.P. Naddaji, came to Shillong to inaugurate the RE Hospital, so I got an opportunity to meet him, and also got a letter given by all the Neigrihms Employees Associations to recognize the Neigrihms Hospital as the INI, the Institutes of National Importance. So that one also he already given he told that he will examine and assured me it will be considered.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.